Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up LODs in Unreal Engine. First of all, we need to create empty object and parent to this object our LODs. Then we need to add custom properties to the main object of this group. We need to show to Unreal Engine that these are LODs. After this, we can export our models to Unreal. Be sure that you select Empty and Custom Properties checkbox. Now, in Unreal Engine, you need to open Advanced tab and apply Import LODs checkbox. So, let's set up LODs. Double-click on our model, then you need to click Custom checkbox. As you can see from the information about amount of triangles, LODs are very important when you create heavy models. Also turn off this checkbox. All what we need to do is to set up when each model should work depends on camera distance. Just play with the settings and choose the best option for your situation. For example, is this main object or the background? Thanks for watching, be sure to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next videos.